Hey eSparkers! Have you ever been reading along and all of a sudden you weren't quite sure what was going on? It happens to me sometimes, and one way to understand what's going on is to use the illustrations or pictures that go along with the text. For example, I've been reading a lot about dinosaurs lately and came across a dinosaur I've never heard of before, the mighty Gastonia. Follow along as I read the text. The Gastonia was low to the ground and had many spikes on its back. The snout had a hard beak, which was used to chomp on plants. I'm having a hard time picturing what this dinosaur looks like, but luckily, this book comes with an illustration of the Gastonia that makes it a lot easier for me to understand what it looks like. I see his beak and those giant spikes on his back that must protect him from other dinosaurs. Thanks to the illustration, now I have a much better idea of what the Gastonia looks like. During this quest, make sure you're using illustrations to help you understand what is going on in the text. Good luck, and have fun eSparking!